That was a negative on starting this van. This negative cable here. I have to get another one. Uh, right there. It's cracked, and apparently, what do you call? Try to tighten it, and it will not tighten. So
Let's call this what it is. It's shot.
that was a negative response. You do not give up, and I will not give up. I just got to go out there and get another negative cable. Something like this, like these with the positive. This way, all I have to do instead of routing it down, fighting with it and all, just cut it, push it in there into these, tighten it down with a screw, and then I'll be set. Okay, folks, gotta go home. I'm hungry. Later. And also, thank God I didn't burn the building down.